Hey everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I'm excited to be with my good friend Carrie. You guys know her of Providence Homes, and guess what, guys? We're in the beautiful community of Woodland Park. This community is solely a Providence Homes community, and I cannot wait for you to see their beautiful Dogwood Townhome today. So thanks for having us, Carrie.
No problem. Let's go take a look inside the Dogwood.
People have been so excited about these townhomes, by the way, and I will tell everyone the first week they started selling, they sold 4. Was it 4 or 5? I mean, immediately.
It was about 6.
Oh, 6!
Yeah. So this is going to be the kitchen, and everything's going to be soft closed drawers and cabinets, huge kitchen island, and a pantry.
Beautiful. And Providence Homes, Carrie, they are known for something important, Energy Star, right?
Energy Star certified and Indoor Air Plus certified.
So everyone with this townhome, you're going to remember you get Energy Star, which is terrific. So look at that great island that Carrie was talking about, perfect for entertaining.
And then we have a cafe area into the family room.
Absolutely beautiful.
And we also have a nice little storage area under the stairs.
You know we love storage.
It's actually a pretty good space.
No, that's a great space. And what's nice is we're seeing people doing shelving under their stairs, so they're really taking it up a notch in what they're doing. So you don't just have to throw everything in there. You can really utilize the space wisely. And then I love the outside. So again, great indoor-outdoor entertaining space in this Dogwood townhome.
Absolutely. And all the patios are screened in. That is a standard for us. And this one actually overlooks the preserve area. We have mini lots on preserve and pond lots.
Very nice. And does the Homeowners Association maintain the yard out here?
They absolutely do. It's maintenance-free living. So your irrigation, lawn care, all the exterior maintenance is taken care of.
Okay, guys, you heard that. So now if you have a maintenance-free home here in Woodland Park by Providence Homes, you can enjoy those amenities a lot more than the average person with the single family. So there's a huge perk. Huge, huge perk.
It is, and we are about 2 miles away from the splash park and 2 miles from the town center. So pretty much easy access right into all the amenities.
So if you want to go to Nocatee.com and actually click on the lifestyle tab, you can see videos and great photos of the splash and spray water parks. There's also a heated 8-lane Junior Olympic size swimming pool, 12 lit pickleball courts, and certified instructors, by the way. That's become a huge thing with pickleball. Swim lessons are offered, and if you are moving here with kids, there is a swim team in the summertime called the Blue Tide. They have actually won in the past many times. It's a great team. So lots to do, and you can ride your bike all the way to the Spray and Splash Water Park Hub of Amenity Complex. So I'm going to let Carrie take back over because we've walked up the stairs, and what are we seeing now?
So now we are going to one of the secondary bedrooms.
So great view. So and what's nice is this one is on the front of the house.
Correct.
And then you're going to see a primary on the back of the house. So if you do have, for example, let's just say you move here with kids. What's nice is you're on the same floor, however, you're still separated.
Correct.
Which is nice.
There's good spacing between the bedrooms.
Great spacing.
And also, if you move with children, we are less than a half a mile away from Valley Ridge and less than a mile from Nice. And we have walking and bike paths to both.
I'm glad you mentioned Valley Ridge. Valley Ridge is Nocatee's first K through 8 built on the property. Valley Ridge has a great parent association, great sports. The kids love it, but all the kids that go there, which is so great, they love to ride their bikes, walk. You're going to see that. It's a lot of fun to see. Sorry, Carling, that we're in your way. Got excited about Valley Ridge. And I want you, when you come to Woodland Park and you meet with Carrie, for example, and looking at these great townhomes like the Dogwood, ask her to point out that path, because I got to see kids coming home from school actually the other day when I was visiting over here. So definitely reach out and say, where is that path? Because you are so close.
We really are. And then Carling is showing one of the other secondary bedrooms. We do have it decorated as a flex room, office space. So once again, it could be a bedroom or really anything you want.
Love the flex space, lots of room. And these rooms are actually a nice size. And you've got the laundry room also up here. So you've got your laundry and your living on one floor. So if you are one that likes to entertain, guess what, guys? You only have to keep the first floor clean.
Absolutely. That's
There's
definitely
the
a plus.
biggest perk to the Dogwood floor plan. Let's just all be honest now. You don't have to, you'll say, you're not going upstairs. We're all entertaining. We're staying on the first floor because as a reminder, they have a great powder room. So your guests never have to use your personal restrooms, which is really nice.
Absolutely. And now we are in the primary bedroom. This does have 2 walk-in closets and a great bathroom with an awesome shower.
Yes. Carling's going to head that way. Really nice. And this is a king-size bed in this space.
It is, yes.
So again, just showing you when you're touring that you can have your king-size bed. This great size. Providence Homes always does a good job. And I want to talk about location for a minute with Carrie. So when we do, with this particular location, I like the ease of getting out to Phillips Highway. So if you are working in Jacksonville, or if you're an empty nester retiree, and you want to head to St. Augustine, you are literally less than a quarter mile from Phillips Highway. So very easy, again, to go to the great area of St. Augustine or going into Jacksonville, whether it's for work or your sporting events. So, Carling, after you leave there, I think Carrie wants to show us something one more time.
Yeah, let's head back down to the kitchen space. And here we are again in the kitchen space. I just wanted to show how open this is of a space for entertaining, for when guests come over. Everything a guest needs is on this main level.
So again, no cleaning up on the second floor, guys. Your guests will only see the first floor. And I love, you've got the slider, you've got the screened in back patio, which is terrific. So 12 months out of the year, you can be indoor, outdoor entertaining, which is phenomenal. So this Dogwood floor plan really is a hit, Providence Homes. And Carrie, what else is going on?
We are rolling out the June sales event with an awesome rate buy down incentive.
Okay, guys, call Carrie today. Rate buy down June sales event here with Providence Homes, and we are in the beautiful Townhome community of Woodland Park. Carrie cannot wait for you to come out and buy one today. So call her today.
Call me.
All right, bye, guys.
Bye.